Hey glampers, we are out for the weekend. Where are we?
We came to Alum Creek State Park.
We are very close to home actually, so we're going to have a good weekend, enjoy ourselves. This is a decompressed weekend, so come along.
Alright, so tonight we are making burgers and Mike's throwing the Brussels sprouts on the grill. So we're going to have dinner and we'll see what else we can get into.
You know what time it is? Ice cream time.
Yay!
We hear they got ice cream here in the State Park store, so we're going to see. It says 10 to 8. It is 7:45. They just want to leave early. We can't get our ice cream. So if the campground doesn't want you to have ice cream there, you just go outside the campground. Sticky fingers. We've been here before. Well, we finally was able to come out of the cave.
Yeah, no kidding.
Of the camper.
It's been raining all morning.
Yeah, it's been a miserable morning. I mean, literally started raining about 2 o'clock in the morning. It just stopped about an hour ago.
It's been like off on drizzle. So we went into the closest town nearby. We did breakfast.
So what's on the agenda today? We're just going to walk around our campsite, and since this is our first time in this campground, we're going to see what the sites we like if we want to come back.
Yeah. Let me go grab something real quick. And
right on. So we are in site K7. We're in the K section. So this is K7. As you can see, this is our area right here. It's very tiny compared to some we've seen. But it was so soft from the rain we had last week during the week that this rain just didn't help it. So we won't be out here much. Actually, we spent right here, just here on the concrete is where we had our chairs yesterday because it was just so soft. So what'd you grab, Joni?
Okay, so this is the map and then a highlighter. So what we like to do is if we know we're going to be coming back here, we like to kind of mark some sites off that when we're walking around, we just pull it out and stuff, and then we'll just keep it. So I'm sure we'll be back here because it's close by. It's very inexpensive, and we didn't know it, but there was full hookups
in another section.
On the other side. So
we didn't know.
We'll like to go over there, of course.
So we're going to walk around. Do you guys do that? Does anybody go to a campground that's nearby and just scope out what you would like and only go to those sites, or do you?
Actually, we met a couple that way at Hocking Hills. They were
we
scoping
did.
out.
All right, so let's just walk around, see what we can find.
I want to mark this site for the simple fact that once we get in here, you got to see the view that you get off the side. K13
Let's go back in there.
Looks fairly level. The slope's downhill a little bit, but nothing major.
Yeah, really level actually compared.
It'd be awesome.
You can actually have a path down to the water if you wanted to go fishing. All right, guys, another perk of camping is when you meet fantastic people like Art and Marcia. We've literally just been standing here talking for like a half hour. It's been really good conversation.
Yeah.
These guys are most timers. Yes. I think you spend your winters down in Florida.
Yes.
They're the smart ones.
They're the smart ones.
Yeah.
So if you camp long enough, you meet the smart campers, then you come back to us and we know nothing. So
we ruin it all.
It's been great talking to you guys.
You too.
That was so funny because the couple that we just met, Art and Marcia, they're doing the same thing. They're just driving around marking sites off that they like. So it's kind of funny we're not the only ones that do it. And I'm sure that a lot of people do this, like they mark the things they want to see next or go to next. This is a really nice site right here.
You get a little bit of water.
Because we have the big window in the back, this would be a nice place to kind of back up to. And maybe once the leaves are on the trees. What is this, M12?
M12.
We're not walking to the other side, it's too far away.
Yeah, it's about, what, 2.5 miles maybe? This weekend, we were quickly reminded as to why we chose our RV. We always say, if you're comfortable and happy how you camp, then you're glamping. Yes, we camped in a tent and endured bad weather while tent camping, to the point that once our tent started to float away. We loved all the camping situations because they fit where we were at that point in our lives. This weekend, we were reminded of the blessing of having an RV that just made us comfortable. No matter what the weather, we needed to decompress and prepare for our chaotic schedule that is coming up on us quickly. So no matter your situation, enjoy your time with friends and family, enjoying the great outdoors. Happy glamping.